BMW, Harley-Davidson, Triumph, Vespa at iba pang luxury brands. Ilan lamang yan sa mga motorbike brands at motorcycle stores na makikita sa LausGroup Motorbike Complex sa City of San Fernando, Pampanga. Pero teka, meron pa. Binuksan na rin itong May ang Peugeot Motocycles na kilalang oldest manufacturer ng scooters at ang Chinese brand na CFMoto. Paliwanag ni LausGroup Chief Operating Officer Alfie M. Adriano, target nilang maserbisyuhan ng mga bikers dito sa Central at North Luzon. Paraan din daw ito na pagbibigay options sa ating mga kababayan upang mas maging magaan ang kanilang pang-araw-araw na transportasyon.
We want it to be near the people, very accessible. That's why ang ginawa natin parang one-stop shop. You just go to the Laos Motorbike Complex. Halos lahat ng brand nandito na. So for the people to be able to access yung mga different brands of bikes na very reliable, very durable, no, and very fashionable at that, para hindi na sila lalayo, no? So that's the intention and that's the plan.
Ayon kay Laos Group of Companies President Paul A. Laos, kilala ang CFMoto dahil sa good quality yet affordable motorcycles ito. Kaya't naisipan nilang dalhin ito sa Pampanga. Mapa naked bike, sports bike, classico adventure bikes man, available lahat yan sa CFMoto ng Laos Group.
Yeah, as I've said, no, CFMoto is a very known brand in China, no, and it's now being very popular now in the Philippines, no. It's making noise in the Philippines. So we're just excited, no, to offer this to the people of Pampanga and North Luzon, no, so that they could experience an affordable bike but a very good quality bike as well.
Pero bukod pa sa dekalidad ng motorsiklo, bida rin sa iba't ibang motorcycle dealership ng Laos Group ang world-class na serbisyo.
Actually, the Laos Group has been known to for a good customer service, no. In fact, one of our battle cries for the year is customer experience, no. So I can guarantee everyone that we will do our best, no, to satisfy our clients in whatever needs they have.
Sa mga naghahanap ng bagong libangan o di kaya naman sa mga matagal nang nahilig sa pagmumotor, tiyak mag-e-enjoy kayo sa pagbisita ninyo sa Laos Group Motorbike Complex.
Please visit us here at Laos Group Motorbikes. No? We're located at the Laos Group Complex dito sa City of San Fernando, Pampanga, no? At the motorcycle hub of the Laos Group. It's right at the back of Microtel Pampanga. No? So please visit us and you will see a very wide range of motorbikes here.
Liana Canilaw, CLTV36 News.